When I hosted a large gathering this summer, I wanted some chafing dishes that would really class up the event. I'm Jean with WTI, and I got so many compliments on how beautiful these chafing dishes are from IMXSUMDA. Everything from the gold stand to the jeweled handle and the clear glass lids shouts style. I made 2 large batches of chili, and this held up to 5 quarts in each container. We used just hot dishes in these, but they also can accommodate cool dishes. Instead of using a burner underneath the pot, you're just going to put ice and water inside the lower bowl that would normally just have water. These kept things warm, which gave me peace of mind that I wasn't going to be causing any issues for my guests if they were eating less than optimal temperature food. My husband and I put these together in about half an hour. And another feature we really appreciated is that they are space saving because all of the stands nest in together. Considering how well made and stunning these chafing dishes are, this is a very budget friendly price, and that's my point of view.